check him out. Link in the description. Music for Life.
It's not music for life. Music is.
His goal is 50 subscribers, I believe.
I don't know.
Yeah, he doesn't know.
It's just my goal is to get to a number of subscribers.
Yeah. So, yeah, let's start our bike ride.
All right, let's do this. Let's do this. Yeah. I won't drop it, guys. I promise. I promise I won't drop it. Okay, I almost dropped it. Okay, here we go, guys. Hope you're not car sick. Dun 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 dun. Do 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 do. Here, I know where to go, Caden. Down here.
Okay, let me turn it back.
All right.
How long is this bike going to be? Because I just checked in at
2:30.
We're going to have a meeting, remember?
What meeting?
Lookout car.
Oh God. Oh yeah.
Yeah, Zoom meeting that
Yeah, I don't really have to do it. I don't have to. Oh, you know what we should do? You should go to your house, grab your computer, and then we could do the Zoom meeting together at the same house. That would be so funny. Yeah. She'll probably say no, right? I'll go to the meeting, though. Yeah. All right. Leave now. Leave now if you're car sick, guys. Like, guys, like by like if you're like, oh, if you're someone who dizzies or like spins around a lot, just I don't get it. Just leave if you don't want to see us. You don't want to be dizzy. I'm dizzy. No! The only people yeah.
I'll show you when I get the allow. When I get the allow guys, I want.
Okay.
Okay,
Let's go like around the block. Like, you know what I mean? Here, I'll show you what I mean. Oh God, I better not bump into you. Here, I'm gonna do this now because I need to go do this. No, we're gonna go down here. I'll show you where I'm gonna go. We're gonna go. Oh fudge! Oh God! There's a car right there. No, down here. Good turn, like right. We have to turn right. I'll show you where we're going. Yeah, I know where I'm going. I've gone down this road a lot of times. Yeah, remember was on Sunday or Saturday? Yeah. Okay. Oh God, I accidentally blurted out. God. Going up. We're going down. Thumbs up if you're Thumbs up if you ride your bike. You don't have to. You honestly don't have to. If you don't want to, I don't care. I just want 10 subscribers for the weekend. I'm almost there, Caden. Okay. All right. Caden's gone, guys. We're gonna beat him somehow. Probably not gonna beat him. No. I'm sorry, but almost there, guys. Alright. It's my house right there. Or obviously. I'm right here. Oh my god, my butt. I don't know. Alright.
The video is actually still on.
Don't end it. Don't end it.
We've been on for like 7 minutes.
Yeah,
That's
don't
nice.
end it, bro. Hey! You seriously just.
I'm gonna end it.
No, don't.
Yeah, I'm not gonna end the stream. Well, it's not a stream, it's a video.
Here, help.
Yay!
We're gonna end it in a sec.
Alright.
Alright, so guys, I hope you enjoyed. We're gonna end it right here. Stay tuned for later
videos.
Yeah, later videos. I'll probably yeah, Fortnite and Minecraft videos pretty soon. Up today around 4. So 4:35. Well, yeah, we'll see you guys. Yeah, we'll see you guys in a little bit. And then Caden,
What?
you'll see him tomorrow. Wait, will you come over tomorrow if it's hot?
I don't know. That was Alistair.
Alistair? Alright, see you guys. I hope you enjoyed.
Bye.
Bye. Make sure to go check him out. Music for Life.
Don't
And
watch my latest videos. Just
Yeah.
stay subscribed.
Yeah. Alright. Link in the description. See you guys. And I hope you enjoyed.